Hello students, today we are going to study computer of grade 4th, chapter number 2, what computer can do. In the previous video we have learned the first chapter, that is for input devices, output devices and the central processing unit. Now we are going to study what computers can do. See, computer performs several functions like computer can do calculations, computer used for draw pictures, listen music or many other kinds of functions or the task it can perform. They can be seen everywhere and used to do several kinds of tasks. As computer can perform several functions, for that matter it can be used in everywhere for doing the various kinds of tasks. Let's see some function and uses of computers. The first one is storage of data to control application in education, in designing and printing, in medicine and in weather monitoring, in robots. Now let's study each one. Storage of data. Computers are used to store large amount of data in their memory. As a human, we have also a brain in which we can store various kinds of information, or we have various memories. Stored information can be retrieved very quickly. This is specially used in the following. Used in bank. Bank use computers to store large amount of information. This ability of computer to perform calculation very fast is very useful in bank. Computer can perform calculation very fast. So in bank there are only the calculations, that means the amounts for calculating the amount of money in the accounts of all the bank customer. Bank having the various customer, and for every customer what kind of amount is there, to calculate this and to calculate the interest, various kinds of interest, this can be calculated in computer. So banks are used computers. Next, railway and airline reservation office. In these, computers to store information about various trains, flights, tickets booking and seat reservations. Next is to control application. Computers can be used to control several things. Fitted in air conditioner to control the temperature of a room. They can be used to control traffic lights. In car, they are used to control the flow of petrol into the engine. See, there are a small devices which are on which a computer program is stored. That chips are used in these equipments like air conditioner, that chip is used for to control the temperature of room, and in traffic light they are used to control the signals. Next is in education. Computers are used in education in the following ways. Information can be presented in a more interesting way on a computer by combining text with sound and pictures, called multimedia. This makes learning more interesting. Computers can be used to demonstrate tasks that are very difficult or impossible to show. See, now computers are used in education also. As you can see, various videos on YouTube, on the other websites, video related to the your subject. In that, there are in that video you may see picture, sound, text. All these three media become all these three media together called the multimedia. So these kinds of video are used to explain the things which are impossible to show. For example, the earth and the moon can be shown on the screen. This can be used to study day and night, phases of the moon and and next is in entertainment. Computers are an important source of entertainment. A large number of very interesting games can be played on the computer. The making of cartoon films has become much easier with the help of computer. Computers are used to give special effects in films. See, as you know, computers are used to play games, listen music, watch cartoon films, movies. So rather than this, on computer we can make our own cartoon movie. Computers are used to give special effects to the films. In today a number of weird creatures you can see in the cinema, such as dinosaurs are made using the computers. Their movements are also done through the computers. Next is in designing and painting. There are special software that helps in designing books, clothes, building, automobiles, etc. Pages of books and the magazines can be designed on the computer. The process is known as desktop publishing, that is DTP. See, your content book. For your content book, there are so many kinds of pictures and text are there. So on one side text is there, related that text some pictures are showing. To design like these books, clothes and building, these kinds of jobs are to design these we can use computer, and these are all designed in the desktop publishing called DTP. Clothes can be designed on the computer. In medicine, computers are used in various medicines to diagnose diseases. Computers controlled camera. Surgeons are able to reach the exact point inside the body of a patient where an operation need to be performed. In weather monitoring, to predict weather, rainfall and monsoon pattern in the country, the study of earthquake and the related calculation are done on a computer. The weather forecast, they inform inform us about the rainfall, monsoon, and the earthquakes related information. They to calculate related these things. For also they use computer, and they regularly inform us about the weather condition. And next is in robots. Robots are computer controlled machines that can be used in place of humans. Robots used to do repetitive jobs and dangerous job. See, robots are nothing but they are computer. It's a kind of machine. They can use to do repetitive jobs. As a human, to do a repeated jobs, we feel bored and tired. So that kind of purpose they use robots. And for dangerous job, for examples, going into a building to find a bomb, finding objects deep under the sea, and to explore other planets. To find the bomb in the building, it can be dangerous to human. So for that job we can use robots. Computer and the internet. The internet is a global network of computers. This means that a large number of computers far away from each other are connected together. Through the internet we can use information of one computer, information of other computer. Some of the things you can do using the internet are email, get information from other computer, search information on any topic, get useful software from other computer, buy things from shopping site. See, internet is nothing but the global network of computers. In that various computers are connected together, which are far away from each other, means they are at different places. You can internet is used to share information from the one computer to another, which are far away or at the which are at the distance from each other. So if your computer is also a part of this network, then sitting in your computer lab or at a home, you can get information you want from other computer. All you need is an internet connection and software that lets you become a part of a huge network. To share the information, you have the internet connection. As your smartphone also having the internet connection, then only you are able to see whatever the videos are coming from your WhatsApp group, and you can also see various kinds of videos on your YouTube channel. So using the internet, you can do email, get information from other computer, search information on any topic. On Google you may search any information for any topic, get useful software from other computer. You can from Google Play Store you can also download any kinds of software, buying things from the shopping site, as there are many sites for the shopping like Amazon, Flipkart, like this. From these you can buy anything. So this purpose we can use internet. And here we finish our lesson number 2, what computers can do, and you have to read the lesson. And that's it for today. Thank you.